Now we should be
Okay.
good to go.
So you have to think all over again.
But can you do harder problems with these again?
Well, these are the ones I have to start with.
Alright.
When I pull you later, maybe they'll be harder. Let's see. So here are 4 red counters and 2 blue counters.
6.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 4 plus 1 would equal 5, and then 1 more 6.
Excellent.
It's getting easier now.
Well, since you've done it once, right? All right. So here are 6 red counters and 3 blue counters. How many counters, and how did you figure that out?
Because I know 6 plus 1 would equal 7, 2 more, 9.
Excellent. Here are 9 red counters and 5 blue counters. How many counters are there all together?
14.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 9 plus 1 would equal 10, and then 4 more, 14.
Excellent. So here are 8 red counters. And without you seeing, I put some blue, whoops. I put some blue counters under here. Altogether, there are 11 counters. How many blue counters are under
How
there?
many were under there?
8. And then I put some blue counters. And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 8 plus 2 would equal 10, and then 1 more, 11.
Excellent. Here are 16 counters.
16.
That's a lot, isn't it? And I took 4 counters away. How many are left?
12.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 16 minus 1 would equal 15, and then minus 3 more would equal 12.
Good. Here are 9 red counters. And without you seeing, I took some away. Now there are 7 left. How many counters did I take away?
How many?
So I'll show you again. So there are 9 red counters. And without you seeing, I took some away. And there are 7. Oh, yeah, 7 red counters left. So how many did I take away? So there were 9, and I took
2.
Okay, and how did you figure that out?
Because I know 9 minus 1 would equal 8.
Mhm.
1 more would equal 7.
Good. So read this card, work out the problem.
12.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 8 plus 2 would equal 10, and then 2 more, 12.
And read this card and work out the problem.
16.
And how did you figure that one out?
Because I know 3 plus 3 equals 6, and then added this 10, 16.
Excellent. Read this card and work out the problem.
This is a tricky one.
I agree.
11.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 17 minus 1 would equal 16, and then I minus the 5, so then it would be 11.
Whoops. Read this card, work out the problem.
And this one's the tricky one. Three.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 11 minus 1 would equal 10, and then and that 8 minus 1 from the 11 would equal 10, so then I minus the 7 to equal 3. Because I know 7 plus 3 equals 10, so.
That's a tricky one, isn't it? Read this card, work out the problem.
16.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 12 plus 2 would equal 14, and then 14 plus 2 more would equal 16.
Great. Read this card and work out the problem.
18.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 5 plus 3 equals 8, and then plus 10 more would equal 18.
Great. Read this card. Can you use this card to work out this?
15. Because I know that 18 minus 2 would equal 16, and then minus 1 more would equal 15.
Can you use this card to help you at all? Would that card help you figure out this answer?
It's because it has an answer on it.
What does that mean?
That means like it helps me a lot because I know that 18 minus 3 would equal 15, so that 15 is right there, so then I know that it's the answer.
Read this card and work out the problem.
17.
Okay, and how did you figure that out?
21 minus 1 would equal 20, and then minus 3 more, 17.
Excellent. Can you use this card to work out this problem?
14.
And how did you figure that out?
Because I know 21 minus 10 would equal 11. And then I plused 4 from this 7, so that would equal 14.
Okay.
And then 3 more. I forgot.
We've been pushing your brain this morning, haven't we?
I'm actually going to minus the 7 first.
Okay.
21 minus 1 from the 7 would equal 20, and then minus 6 more would equal 14. And then minus 10 would equal 14.
Okay. So 14's the answer? Awesome. Thank you, Danica. And we will, so I just put stop broadcast. There we are.